I had to pick up where I left off last time with removing the wire harness from the firewall. I removed the emergency brake, so I can remove the nut on the backside for the emergency brake light switch, and then the rest just came out. So as I pull it out, um, wires that have not been labeled yet is the high beam switch, and then also, of course, the switch for the emergency brake. And then I don't know what that is. Everything else should be labeled. So let's get this pulled out. And again, so that's it. So as far as all the wires are, so the only wire left in here is the reverse light wire that goes to the firewall. That's a solid wire that goes all the way through the firewall, and then back down front of the firewall and down to the transmission. So I'll have to figure out that video later. And everything else is out. So wire harness. Let's stop this real quick and pull it out. Not too bad, I guess. So this is all the controls for inside the dash. Everything from high beams to ignition to light for the glove box. So that's it. And I got some holes everywhere.